Question 3 on exercise 2.2b reads, using diagrams, that is circle, we are to find the HCF of the following, which is 48 and 72. In order for us to use the diagrams to find the HCF of 48 and 72, what I'm going to do, or what we are going to do, is to first of all, using prime factorization, we are going to express 48 as a product of its prime factors as well as 72. Thereafter, we are going to have two circles where there are going to be an intersection, and that region where we have an intersection will contain prime factors that are common to both 48 and 72. And for us to get the HCF will be the product of all the prime factors in that region. So let's express 48 and 72 as a product of its prime factors. So we are going to divide 42 by prime numbers. I'm starting with 2 because it is the smallest and it is divisible. 48 is divisible by 2. How do I know that 48 is divisible by 2? Because the last digit of 48 is a multiple of 2, or we say it is divisible by 2. Now, 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 8 is 4. 2 can still divide for same reason. 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 4 is 2. 2 can still divide. Same reason. 2 into 12 is 6. 2 can still divide. 2 into 6, 2 can no longer go into 3 because it is not a multiple of 2. So we use 3. 3 into itself is 1. So that means that 48 can be expressed as a product of its prime factors to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. We'll now do same to 72. 72 is said to be divisible by 2 because the last digit of 72 is said to be a multiple of 2. So 2 into 72. 2 into 7 is 3 remainder 1. That gives us 12. 2 into 12 is 6. 36 is still divisible by 2 because 6 is a multiple of 2. So 2 into 3 is 1 remainder 1. 2 into 16 is 8 times. That gives us 18. 2 can still divide. 2 into 18 is 9. 2 can no longer divide 9 because 9 is not a multiple of 2. So we test the next prime number, which is 3. 3 into 9 is 3. And 3 into itself is 1. So 72 can be expressed as a product of its prime factors as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Then we look at the common factors. 2 is common, another 2 is common, and is common again, and 3 is common. So expressing this using diagrams, we have this and an intersection. So this will house factors of 48, and this will do same to 72. So let's look at the intersection where we have factors that are common. We have 2 appearing 3 times and 3 appearing once. Then under factors of 48, we have 2, and under 72, we have 3. So the HCF is said to be the product of all these in the intersection. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So 24 is said to be the common factors between 48 and 72. So this is how to do this using diagrams. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel on YouTube as well as follow me on Facebook. You can also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. What I recommend you use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next example on this exercise.